How North Carolinians who lose their jobs through no fault of their own are treated when they become unemployed depends almost entirely on our state legislature, because it makes our unemployment laws. Until a few years ago, those benefits were generally adequate, about middle of the pack for the nation. But there was a problem. The fund that pays out these benefits had become insolvent. How did that happen? When our economy was running well, that fund was flush. So the employer community came to the legislature and asked for a reduction in their taxes, and the legislature agreed. Then when the Great Recession came, that fund did not have the necessary funds, and no one had the appetite to push back up the employer taxes. So in 2013, the legislature addressed the problem. They did raise taxes on employers a bit, but only temporarily. On the other hand, it slashed dramatically and permanently benefits for workers. It cut dramatically the maximum amount that anyone can receive. It cut the average amount that anyone can receive. It cut the number of weeks that an employee could receive unemployment benefits. It made it more difficult to be eligible for any benefits at all. And we went from the middle of the pack to the very bottom. I think we now average 46th in the nation in terms of the average benefit that an employee can receive. Recently, I heard a national expert say that the cuts made in 2013 were the most radical by any state legislature in our nation's history. Unemployment benefits, of course, help people stay out of poverty, yet only 1 in 10 unemployed workers in North Carolina receives any benefits at all, the very lowest percent in the nation. The fund is now back to solvency. The temporary tax on employers is ending. Perhaps now is the time to restore some fairness to the system. One example, we could restore the number of weeks that an employee who is unable to find work can receive unemployment benefits. Of course, in the end, it's up to our legislature.